Welcome to my YouTube cookery channel. I am Suresh Rao from Cochin. Today I am going to show you how to prepare mayonnaise. And together I am going to show you finger chips. Let us see what all ingredients we need to prepare the same. For the preparation, first of all, I have taken as measurement 1 bowl of chilled milk, 1 bowl of ghee. You can use instead of ghee sunflower oil or etc. That is left to your choice. Mustard powder, then little pepper powder, little salt, little sugar. The preparation of mayonnaise is according to Punjabi style, that is Indian style. First of all, you have to blend to a fine paste. Secondly, again we have to add little ghee plus little vinegar. And once again you have to blend it. And the third blending goes 1 spoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, little ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and little kasuri methi. Now let us see how to prepare. First, add this chilled milk towards the mixie. Along with that chilled milk, you add this ghee. Again this mustard powder, that is around 1 spoon. Again pepper powder, that is around 1 spoon. Again 1 spoon of sugar. Again 1 spoon of salt. Now you have to blend all these items together as a first batch. Now let us open the jar and just go through the blended item. Now once again you have to add little oil more. And add this vinegar. Once again you have to blend it. Second procedure is over. Now it has come to this extent. Add little more ghee. Add this chili powder towards it. Again this coriander powder. This ginger garlic paste. This turmeric powder. And finally kasuri methi. Now once again we will blend it. See, our mayonnaise is ready. Now we will just transfer it to a bowl. Let us see how to prepare finger chips. This is around a half kg of potato, that is around 3 numbers. You have to just remove the skin and then cut it into small pieces of this type. Directly you have to soak it into water for another 15 to 20 minutes. Then you have to drain the water and just dry it in a piece of towel. Now all has been done and now this is dry also. Now from here onwards you have to fry the finger chips. Now let us start frying this potato one by one. You have to fry till the potato pieces turn to golden brown. Yes, now our finger chips is ready. We'll just shift it to a drainer. See how crispy our finger chips is. Now we'll just shift it to a basin and add the necessary ingredients. Now I am adding the necessary masalas. This masala is prepared like this: little chaat masala, little sugar, little salt, and little red chili powder. Now you have to just sprinkle it over like this, and you just turn around and around. Yes. Now we'll shift it to a serving bowl. Now our finger chips as well as eggless mayonnaise Punjabi style is ready. Hope everybody enjoyed it. And my grandson Master Avyak is enjoying the same.
Today we can teach you this one. This is nice. That's eat it every day. So that's why we can make more videos this like this. And thank you for watching this video. So great. It's like this. Thank you everyone.